These are difficult times for Australia and indeed the world. The health and well-being of the Australian community is all that matters at this time. Also, now is the time to support Australian business. Geofabrics is an Australian manufacturer with over 200 employees. We manufacture a range of geosynthetic products used in building Australia's infrastructure, from road to rail, mining, water and landfills. Supporting Geofabrics means supporting Australia and our communities. Our manufacturing plants are in regional Australia and a large part of our teams call regional Australia home. We have in excess of 2,000 local Australian suppliers who call Geofabrics their customer. Freight companies, maintenance contractors, cleaners, printers, training providers. Some of those suppliers are large and some are small, but all of those suppliers are Australian suppliers. We are an Australian company making products in Australia for Australia. Over the past 2 years, Geofabrics has been recognised as the Australian Exporter of the Year in Environmental Solutions and as the Australian Manufacturer of the Year for Industrial Products. At Geofabrics, trust and integrity guide all of our decision making and defines how we engage with our customers and with our suppliers. It also guides our innovation and our product development, all performed here in our Australian factories, within our Australian branches and throughout Australia at our innovation hub located in Queensland. In these difficult times, Geofabrics continues to manufacture a range of geosynthetic products and meet the needs of our customers, from large road infrastructure projects to waste and containment, coastal protection, mining and rail projects, but also small projects in our community and for your homes. From pavements to playgrounds, sports fields and to protect your local beaches. Now is the time to rally behind our communities and behind Australian business. Look out for each other and promote Australian business. Geofabrics is here for you.
I just wanted to take this opportunity to reassure all our loyal customers that Geofabrics is very much open for business. For all our customers and suppliers, Geofabrics is open across all our operations as Australia's only Australian manufacturer of geosynthetic products. Our state and regional offices are all open for business. Our salespeople are all ready to take your calls. Our technical department is available for any design assistance and technical information you may require. Our finance department is open for business to assist with any account inquiries. Clearly, I also hope that you, your family, friends and loved ones stay safe during these difficult times. Geofabrics has been around for 40 years. We will come through this as a company, industry and society. I wish you well, and Geofabrics will be here to help you now and when things return to a more normal situation. Take care and stay safe.